Are you looking for a portable pellet grill slash smoker? Well, look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use an ASmoke AS350 smoker so that even a beginner can soon become an expert. I will start by unboxing and putting the smoker together and then go through the burn-in stages. Okay, so our first thing is to unbox it. I've already took the straps off, so I'm just going to lift the top off. Has some big styrofoam in there, a lot of protection, some plastic, my owner's manual. For ease, I'm turning it over. That way I can take this top box off real easily. And now I'll turn it back to the right side up. And here we are. Now it comes in 3 colors. I got the blue. So what we want to do first is open it up. It has latches to keep the lid tight. We want to peel off that sticker. Open it up, and we have our boxes within. Hi y'all, Don here with Southern Backyard Cooking. I hope you're enjoying my video today. If you are, please make sure to ring that bell and give me those big thumbs up. So now I'm gonna take all these extra pieces and assemble it together. Take all the wrap off it. Our first step is gonna be to install these legs. They go right here on this side and on this side. So I'm gonna take these 4 screws on the inside off to screw it down to it. All right, so I've got my 2 legs on. The next thing we're gonna do is push the ash dump on. There's 6 little holes set up, already drilled in, and we got 6 screws to put them in. So we're just gonna screw all these down. All right, so I have the ash dump on, the legs. I'm gonna insert my ash collection tray right in there. And our next step is I'm gonna put on the handle. It goes right here. Open that up. Sure, I get that piece in place. Start the screw. The next 2 things I'm going to do is, this is a probe holder. It goes right over on this side. It just kind of goes right in there just like that. And the electrical plug, it just plugs in the back. All right, so now we have to put this down at the bottom of the ash pit, the fire pot. And we want to put this up underneath the heating element. So it just goes straight down back. And that allows it to settle and keep some of those pellets in there, but allows the ash to drop through. And the next step we do is we want to put our grate in, and we have to make sure that this little slot right here goes in this hole right here. And it just goes right in. There's a little ledge right here. That's where it collects it. We put our grate on top. We have another grate that goes on top of that, and it just kind of clips and sits on this grate. The last thing, we want to put our grease trap. It goes right here on the side. It also comes with a probe. All right, so inside it, you can see we have our burning chamber. This is our hopper. It only holds about 3.5 pounds. Has a, peel that off also. Has a digital readout, and it's from smoke to high. Okay, so I plugged it in. I'm gonna fill the hopper up, and we're gonna do the burnout. So I'm using these ASmoke. These are natural apple wood pellets. This only holds about 3 pounds, so I'm just gonna fill it up. I'm gonna close the latch here and level that off. All right. Now we have a prime button, and we want to put it on smoke, and we want to go hit prime because we want to actually feed some pellets through there. It'll tell me the temperature. Yeah, it takes about 3 minutes for the pellets to travel through the auger system from the hopper all the way into here. At that point, we'll close our lid and let it go through. We want to burn it for about 30 minutes or so. All right, we're starting to get some smoke out. It's been about three and a half minutes, and it's starting to smoke up a little bit. So at this point in time, I'm going to go ahead and close the lid. I want to wait till I turn the temperature up. I want this to hit somewhere around 115, 120 degrees. And then I'm going to turn it up to 300 degrees for my burn off. Everybody's going to wonder, what's the dimensions of this? So we have 24.5 inches wide. We got 16 inches tall and 17.5 inches deep. It weighs around 49 pounds. The square inches of cooking space with the extra shelf, with this top shelf, is 250 square inches. Temperature-wise, it'll go from 180 degrees up to 500 degrees. It will work really well for grilling as well as smoking. Now, smoking on here, I can maybe fit 1 to 2 racks of ribs. A pork butt without any problem, a chicken, no problem, as long as a turkey might be just getting a little too big. Hamburgers, steaks, all that is really great. Hi y'all, in closing, the best tip I can give you today is go watch my video about the 10 biggest mistakes that you can make while using a smoker/grill. Until next time, I hope y'all enjoy.